MiTek makes piggybacks a thing of the past with hinge plates that are the perfect solution for both component manufacturers and the framers. With MiTek Hinge Plates, component manufacturers have one truss to build and framers one truss to set. The MTH18 and MTH-NH18 hinge plates work in tandem to eliminate piggyback headaches. The MTH18 hinge plate attaches to the top cord, allowing truss top cords to fold flat for shipping and handling, while staying completely attached and ready to fold into place at the job site. The MTH-NH18 hinge plate offers even greater job site efficiency. It folds to match the truss pitch and attaches to both faces of the peak using a pre-punched offset nail pattern, giving a strong and secure connection. Installation is made easy thanks to no loose parts, no extra trusses to build or handle, and no worries about oversized loads on high-pitched trusses. The process couldn't be easier. Each truss is sapphire designed, so you know it's laser accurate. From hinge joint creation, sealing, cutting, pre-plating, all the way through to delivery, MiTek uses the latest technology and decades of experience to deliver a product that is simply the best in the industry. Component manufacturers know the many benefits of MiTek hinge plates. There's the increased ease of use of the finished product. Pre-plating is preferred over building cap trusses. Profits go up. There's a 50% savings on lumber versus building piggybacks. The hinge top cords are 50% less lumber than a piggyback cap truss. Plus, you save on labor. Callbacks are reduced, there's less load volume for shipping, and you avoid complications like piggybacks and base trusses not matching at the job site. Also, instead of sets of 2 for piggyback trusses, you engineer and cut only one single truss. Plus, there are no connection details necessary, and you can build trusses that will fold out to be taller than your 14-foot table. Framers benefit too. They can save 40 to 70 cents per square foot. There's reduced bracing needs, improved safety, especially with no one walking on trusses. Plus, it's a significant time saver, including reduced crane time, and it's a greener way to install trusses. Learn more about MiTek MTH18 and MTH-NH18 hinge plates at mitek-us.com under the Connectors tab, or call 1-800-325-8075. MiTek. Better technology, better building.